You're all on video. The dogs are on video.
Next, Rocky, say hi.
We got all of our new lights in. These are all brass nautical lights. Hey guys, I'm going to. So these are really pretty lights. These are solid brass. These are from they're ship surplus lights. I mean, you can't get anything like this with Fresnel lenses in them. Just really spectacular. So I made the posts. I couldn't find anything. And then, yeah, I made the posts that these are on. And you can see this is just shiny brass. Beautiful. So it really helps with the lighting out here. Hey guys.
Hi, Dad.
Hey, Daddy.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Yep.
Like the lights?
Yeah.
Good.
Wait, Dad, watch this. Look. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hey, Dad. Dad. No, look at me. 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 Wasn't that cool, Dad?
I'm looking at you.
I'm awesome.
And these are bronze.
And you just go up, looking at the light.
Again, these are all actual nautical surplus lights we got. And they weigh like, just they're very, very heavy. And the same thing we got up here. This beautiful all bronze. We got a couple ceiling fans put in. So this whole deck area is just now very nice. It's sort of messy because we've had people out doing work all day. Okay, say hi, Mara, Sarah.